Hey, this is Jamie from Chicago Robotics. I just want to make a quick video to say hi to Kim and all the people at Catalyze that I haven't met yet. Sorry I'm never around. Basically, I'm hanging out in this office space at night and any kind of weird hours because that's when I'm working on the robot stuff because I got a day job. Um, Robot stuff. So the product here is Simula. The idea is it's a simulated life form. It's a pet, which hopefully consumers will want to have around their house. Uh, it's it's 3D printed right now. I want to go to injection molding down the road, but sort of want to test out the product idea using 3D printed first, and if it looks good, then go to injection molding and Kickstarter or something like that. Anyway, so just to give you an idea, the robot has its own personality. It's got an 8 gig SD card. It's got all these sensors on it, and it can detect, like the edge of a table, for example. So it's not gonna drive off. So you can see, it sees what's going on, that sort of thing. I've been laboring under the impression that I don't need a fabrication house. I'm like, you know what? I don't trust people to make my stuff. So you can see, I've been building all kinds of prototype boards and, good Lord, just endless amounts of dollars going to Osh Park. Finally came up with some sensor designs that I like. I was looking at Pololu and, didn't really like their stuff because it just consumes a lot of power. Hey, somebody's here. Anyway, design some motor modules, that sort of thing. So when I assemble my own boards, I'm using PCB stencil. You can see I've stenciled up a board and I got one ready to go. It's got solder paste on it. So, basically what I do is I take it over to my pick and place machine. It's hard to do two cameras at once. Pick and place machine, start it up, and this sucker's gonna go along and it's gonna place all these parts on this board, and you can see how that works. It's just your basic pick and place, right? So then when that's done, there's a couple extra parts that I need to add. There's some like taller capacitors and stuff like that. So this is what a board looks like when it's fully populated. Focus you. And then I take the fully populated board and I march it on over to my oven, which I got in a different room here next to all my 3D printers. Isn't this a nice office? Look at this kitchen. My buddy Usama owns this place, and he's been a major benefactor in this project. I couldn't thank the guy enough. Anyway, so this is where I got 4 of my 3D printers, you can see there, and the oven. So I just take the thing and I stick it in the oven. 2 cameras. Get in there, you. And press play. And it easy bakes them up, and then, the things come out and it's a fully assembled board. And you know what? These things were great. I'm getting a failure rate of less than 10%, and that's not even really practicing much. I'm thinking that I can probably make, I don't know, maybe 6 to 8 of them an hour, something like that, if I got organized. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. Just thought you guys might like to see it. Hopefully I can stop by at a party sometime soon and grab a beer with y'all. Okay, thanks for watching.